Hey guys, welcome to the video today. We're gonna do my Friday cold start, but yet it's Saturday. So we're gonna do the cold start today. This truck is a 1986 Chevy short bed 454 5-speed. The motor and tranny are out of a 93. The motor is out of a 93 1-ton. The 5-speed is out of a 93 1500 half-ton. This truck is a half-ton, but I have it registered as a 3/4 ton. As you can see, I have, well, you really can't see, but I have 8-lug bolt pattern. So let's see about getting in here and getting it started, and then getting ready to go. I gotta run into town. And then later today, I'm also gonna be doing some recording at the mall. They have the race cars and stuff there for the local dirt track. I think you can see the back window right now, but while I get in here, okay, let's put this over here. Bring you around here like this. Yes, I am wearing my tennis shoes again, but it's only because I'm not going to work. I'm going to the store. So, turn this on, turn that off. Fuel pump's running. Turn that down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got to be a little bit of quiet because we're having one of our friends stay at the house, and she was at the bar last night and never come home till like 3:30, 4 o'clock. So I'm gonna put you in the case here, and we're gonna drive to town. But that was a cold start. Ain't too cold this morning. It's only like, I think it's 30 some degrees, I think. I gotta pick my daughter up later today. Then me and her's going to the mall. Gonna look at some race cars. I'm gonna charge this when I get back home. So we'll see how things go today. Plus, I'm taking her over to a place where it's like an Easter Wonderland thing. I might get some video footage of that over there, or some pictures or something. Yeah. Alright, let's put you in a case. Go ahead and head into town. Everything you can see alright. Oh, that's nice. Figures the windshield wiper don't get it. too, drop a like. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe. I normally do this kind of video every Friday with the cold start. It's normally just a cold start, not a drive. But figured since I had to run into town, let's take things along. And pretty much show you inside the truck ran in the mornings. Project I have in the works. I'll just say this, it involves BeamNG.Drive. It's from a video game that I've been getting a lot of views on and a lot of likes. So it's going to be one of those kind of videos. So if you like them, thanks. I know those videos have brought a lot of traffic to my channel, which is awesome. I did notice last night that we hit 240 subs, which I'm thankful and grateful for. Like I said before, I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for all yous, for the support, the likes, subscribing, and everything like that. But it definitely made... I was really surprised when we crossed over 200 subs. That made my day when I seen that. But it's nice to see that we're almost at 250. We're getting closer and closer to the 1,000 mark. And hopefully by this time next year we'll be at 1,000, hopefully. But I never know. I never know. We could hit 1,000 before then, the way the channel's growing now. But I'm not sure. So I just want to say thanks for watching today. Hope you have a wonderful morning, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. Thanks again, and see you in the next one.